Hey there, we are the Babes That Wander.
A group of diverse women
with a shared love of travel.
Follow along as we explore the world,
one amazing destination at a time.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, let's wander to Bend.
We were graciously hosted by the Element Hotel in Bend. This hotel takes its design inspiration from the natural beauty that surrounds it, and it was built with environmental sustainability and guest well-being in mind. It's honestly the perfect place to stay to explore all that Bend has to offer in comfort. One of the perks of staying at Element Bend is their amazing breakfast, which is included. So they have all kinds of cereal and fresh fruit. They also have a hot food stand where they have cooks that will make you breakfast to order, and this is included in your stay, which is so nice. Plus they have this great coffee machine that can make cappuccinos and lattes and hot chocolate in the lobby, so you'll never have a bad cup of coffee in this hotel. Another fun feature of the Element Bend is during the weekdays from about 5 to 6 or so, they host a complimentary happy hour in the lobby, and they serve wine that the owner of the hotel makes himself, which is just so cool. You really never see this in any other hotel. We made it to Bend. Lauren and I are the first ones here.
In the most beautiful suite and Element.
Do a little room tour. First of all, this whole area is all us. So we have multiple little bedrooms that go off from the main room, and they all have their own keys. You come in here and it's just this really beautiful, very chic living room space, huge entertainment center. It's a massive, huge kitchen. Not one TV, but 2 TVs.
And a TV in every bedroom.
Oh.
A TV in every single bedroom.
So everyone can basically watch whatever they want.
And a bathroom in every single suite, I'm pretty sure.
Right, so here is Lauren and I's suite we're gonna share. Nice and big. Got our own little coffee maker and workstation desk here with our own TV. Nice big closet space. We have our own little mini fridge and microwave in our room. We never have to leave. This is the bathroom. That's fancy. The Studio Commons room was so perfect for our girls' trip. It really gave us all the comforts of home, but with the convenience and ease of staying in a hotel room.
Want to check out more of what Bend, Oregon has to offer? Go down to the description box for links to more videos from our Babes That Wander adventure in Bend.